All right, here we are. Here we are for the New York session, and we are going to have some news events, I believe. So let's be prepared. I have no positions open. I ended up in a slightly, well, in a break even on London session. Added up a little bit of a minus here. Not too much, don't worry. Only $66 on this challenge account for the day, so that's all I have. Anyway, we still have, we still have a little bit to go to reach the goal. Which is, the goal is not, this is not the goal. I just want to dig myself out of this hole, which is 1.66%. Hopefully we will get out soon. And on the record, there is something which is really true, and I have to master it. I have to master that skill. I do make the mistake over and over by over trading, so I have to do something about that. I have to do something about over trading. Have to stick with the main setups, I guess. I'm still looking at Nasdaq. As you can see, it made quite a ride since London session. This is a historical low. I'm gonna be watching for that. Savesh, hey there. Good to see you. Good to see you. Well, you know, it's going fine. So far, I'm still in recovery mode. $24,584. Today, I'm a little bit down. $66 that is for the day. Negative 0.27%. But you know, it's a little bit better since yesterday. I was down almost 3%, almost 3, something like 3%, and now I'm just down 1.66% to the capital. So you know, trying to recover slowly. I'm still in recovery mode. Have to, you know, rewire my brain. Did some over trading in the London session, I admit that. So anyway, this is how I'm doing so far on the account today. Technically almost a break even, 0.27%. Well, nuts. How are you, Sarvesh? How are your trades? I hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing all right. Step by step. Yes, exactly. We have all the time, you know, step by step improvements. That's what we're looking for. So far in terms of euro dollar, as you can see, we are around the midnight open range. This is the hourly. Pretty much in premium array if we look at the hourly swings, or at least the 4-hour swing. Let's go to a clean chart here. All right, so this is a clean chart on the 4-hour euro dollar. Pretty much in a premium. If I go down to the hourly, what that could mean is that we can come down here and reprice this imbalance. Otherwise, if I go to the daily, which is this one, there is a new week opening gap right above there at 111.30. I think in the long term it's gonna be closed, but for today, I don't know what to think. You know, we're pretty much just, you know, if I look at the euro dollar, let me go back here on the 15-minute chart. It's pretty much nothing. I mean, you can't really make of it, you know, what it wants to do. I don't see any clear targets. You know, nothing. And if we look at the pound, since the news came out, you know, pound took out buy side here and then poked into sell side just a little bit, just slightly, but it poked into sell side. So we're inside this range. I have no idea what pound is going to do. And on gold, we are still in the shadow of yesterday's range, edging lower and lower. What it wants to do, I have no idea. Come on. I have really no idea what gold wants to do here. I had a good day, good. 2% profit. I've decided that I'm only going to take one trade per session. If I get it wrong, so be it. Wait for the next session. Man, you know what? That's a great plan. I think because I still have to adapt to that idea as well. I need to, you know, what's up with my speaker?
Speakers.
All right, it's working. So I need to adopt myself not to take more than in a whole day. Percentage wise, I had my stops percentage wise, except for the last time, you know. So my stop for the day would be around 1.5%, sorta, right? 1.5 or account wise. For this account specifically, this was the initial balance was 25k. I would say I should stop around $300 of loss for the day, or 350 maybe, I don't know. So I'm still trying to decide, should I stop in a bad day percentage wise stop, or you know, trade numbers. I think it's either way is good, right? I could choose a percentage or money, or I could just go with trade numbers. If I go with the percentage, I can let some wiggle room for myself to open up small trades. Some trader I know, they call it pod trades, you know, some pod trades, like sending in there some small trades if you're not sure about something. So I can you know, open like 0.3 percentage trades or 0.25. So I don't know. Anyway, I need to adapt myself to the same idea that you said right now, to a certain limit, you know. I have to limit myself somehow for the day. So far I'm down $66, which is 0.27, but for me it's fine. It's still good. It's not a big deal. Yesterday was more than 1%. It is what it is. Look at gold. Gold is looking to take out that low. And since news is coming, I'm not taking any trade. I was falling into the idea that Nasdaq should go lower and take out that historical low. Oh my god, what is all this? I have to delete some stuff here on Nasdaq. What is all this crap here? Alright, so that's a historical low. Yeah, I guess it depends on your style. Yeah, maybe the percentage would be better for you because you like taking trades at small. Yes, I was thinking about the same too. I like to take trades and jump into trades, so then I can take small trades and, you know, dig myself through the obstacles. Because I have a problem, you know, if, for example, if I can take one trade per session, and for example, I take a trade at right in the London morning after open, for example, and I lose it, then I'm gonna be feeling real bad for the rest of the session, even if I see a potential setup forming, like, oh man, I should take this, but I already used up my limit, you know. It takes a really good discipline, and I admire you for that, takes a real good discipline for someone to take one trade. For example, you risk 1% in a session for one trade. That requires, in my personal opinion, a real good discipline. For example, if you enter a trade in 9 a.m. London time or whatever, and you still have 3 hours from the kill zone or 2 hours, oh man. And and if you lose and you still have time, I mean, it's doable. I guess the best thing then is to just close the charts and walk away, right? You just close it and walk away. Maybe. It's hard for me. It would be hard for me. For example, I'm in 30 minutes to the kill zone. I lose a trade with 1%. I use my limit. And I would be struggling to walk away or not walk away. I don't know. Yeah, that is a problem. It's going to be really hard sitting in my hands after a loss and watching the winners go by. Exactly, right? That's the hard part. I mean, losing, I can, you know, I accept the loss. That's not a problem. But the FOMO, as I said many times, I would trade anytime a FOMO for a stop loss. Anytime. I hate FOMO. And even FOMO is that, you know, I use up my limit and I would just sit there and watch for an A+ entry to form, and I would just go crazy. You know, that would be really crazy. That would be really crazy, man. I mean, that would be the hard part. Just sit on my hands and watch the setups forming. Oh man, I don't even know how I would do that, you know. So as we can see again, by the way, guys, if someone is new, could you please push the like button? Thank you very much. Thank you. Please support the stream, subscribe if you want to, but please give me a like. Thank you. So exactly. Same with me. FOMO hurts. I mean, FOMO hurts me much worse than stop losses. I can take a stop loss. I in the past years, I'm clear with that. If I got hit with a stop loss, it's fine. I accept that. But FOMO, man, oh, I hate that. I hate dealing with FOMO. I think that's the initial spike or spark. Sorry, not spike, spark. That's the initial spark that ignites the whole negative curve, which starts, you know. This is actually a good point. This would mess up the psychology and make it harder to trade the next session. Need to think about, yeah, I mean, it's your, yeah, you have to analyze yourself, I guess. But, you know, FOMO is the spark, in my perspective and in my mind. For me, FOMO is the spark that ignites a negative spiral that, you know, takes me back into the market and making stupid decisions. Stop loss is not. I accept. I lost, I accept it. Many days have passed in red, and it's fine. So yeah, guys, news in 2 minutes and 15 seconds maybe, I don't know. Euro dollar made an intraday liquidity sweep, which was not a London session sweep. Can we look at the London session, by the way? One day home. Assalamu alaikum. Salam alaikum. Let me get an applause for you guys. One day home. Good to see you. Good to see you. Assalamu alaikum. This is London session. ICT said in the last video you should. Jó napokat! Jó napokat, szép napokat! Egy picit azért, let me just talk a few words in Hungarian with my fellow Hungarian here. Egy picit azért kereskedtem, és látod, ez lett a vége, hogy mínusz $66 mai napra. Szóval a stream után még muszáj volt egy kicsit, de nem baj, teljesen rendben vagyunk, úgyhogy... Okay, so overtrading. Túl sokat kereskedek. Overtrading. I was just explaining in Hungarian that I'm overtrading too much still. Anyway, this is the London session. I'm just doing some markups, you know. I know it looks crazy in this color, but for now it's gonna be fine. Let me mark up the London session here as well. Let me delete this because news is coming in 30 seconds. Yeah, all right then. Let me delete this and let's see the news. Let's see gold. Zoom it out. News are coming in 15 seconds. And this is going to be unemployment claims. Forex factory is gonna be slow. So I guess all we can do is observe. So let's observe. 3, 2, 1, now. Boom. Okay. I'm checking NASDAQ too. NASDAQ not really moving. S&P not really moving. Gold. Okay. Euro, nothing major. Alright. So far. Nothing super major. NASDAQ into this fair value gap right here. Could provide some resistance. Okay. NASDAQ still fighting in the fair value gap. I'm looking to go short still. I'm falling into the idea to go short on NASDAQ. Let me scale this. Where was it? Which candle was it? That was that candle right there. Was this? Yeah. And the kill zone was started at 9, which is here. Right here. Right here. So this is London session. KRK is asking how long does the news events take effect. Szerintem 5-10 percet várni kell, mire kisimul a piac körülbelül. Legalább, ha nem negyed órát. NFP-nél érdemes fél órát is várni. So yeah, I'm just saying NFP you have to wait for maybe half hour. At other major news events you should maybe wait a few minutes, 5 to 10 maybe, until the candles start to form what they wanted. I'm favoring the idea for NASDAQ to stay inside this fair value gap. It took out London high. So London high has been taken. This is lunch hour. Bearish order block here on the 5 minute. We'll see. We'll see. Let's look at gold. Let's put the London session here as well, alright? I think this would be... Where is it? That green candle over there. Okay, this is London. And this is kill zone here. Okay, so this is London session. All right, so London high hasn't been taken. Lunch has been taken. London low has been taken though, so let's just keep that in mind. What else? Nothing else. Don't forget the likes, guys. Okay. London high has been taken on euro. 15-minute fair value gap. 15-minute fair value gap. It's still in place. London took out Asia. Then London session has been invalidated lunchtime. Formed a fair value gap here. Inside the fair value gap right now. London high taken because we are in downtrend, so yeah. On which pair are you looking for London high? Which instrument are you looking for it to be taken out? Oh my god, look at pound. Total crazy. It destroyed London session totally. Okay, said this is London session. Gold. Okay. Yes. Yes, you have a point there. Now, yeah. It made a structure break, so let's talk about gold for a minute here. In my perspective, and this is only my perspective, you could have a different scenario. Let's look at these candles here, and then you will get my point. The high of this candle was 26.13. This was 26.14, and this was 26.11. So this is a swing high. This is a swing high. Technically speaking, I mean, I don't want to. Come on. Technically speaking, this is a swing high right here. That has been taken out. Sorry. So, structure break there. Structure break there. What I wanted to see on gold, if I take this dotted line as a liquidity sweep from London session, I wanted to see price, this is the 5-minute gold, to retrace into this fair value gap or this fair value gap before taking out this high, this. But because price has went above this high, I think this swing high here is a much more significant level than these swing points here. But because it took it out, there's no reason for me to enter any long position on the 5-minute, and neither on the 1-minute, by the way, just saying. No reason for me to enter in a long position on gold. Yes, we can. I mean, I'm not saying you can't. You can take the trade if you want to. I mean, it's your decision. I'm not taking the trade to go long because since it poked into liquidity, this candle with this wick, it poked into liquidity. This tells me that the probability of gold to go higher is significantly lower if I want to enter now on a fair value gap. So this for me lowers the probability of a higher probability trade basically. So I'm not going to take any long position on gold, not just yet for sure, because this long candle invalidated the probability. It can go, it can drive all the way up. I'm not saying it won't. It's just a bigger risk for me to take. I mean, lower probability, if I should say that. There's still a good target, of course. London high is a very, very good target. So if you want to target London high, this candle is closing in 1 minute and 30 seconds. You can enter, for example, let me put a fib here. I'm not going to enter. You can enter around here, at the around the 50% area. to go long, to take out London high. Actually, it's a very good target. I'm not saying, because, you know, look at that. Since New York opened, this line here, gold didn't really moved into premium. I mean, daily premium, right? And let's look at gold on the 4 hour or daily. Okay, this is the daily gold. Daily gold yesterday took out some liquidity from 2 days before. We left a small, not that significant, but there is a small fair value gap down there, which could be repriced today. Why not? It's absolutely a possibility. I'm not saying that. So I'm not invalidating to go long, but I think this analysis is quite alright, I think. What do you think about EU? Just a second. Let me see. And for now, if you want to enter gold, let me finish gold real quick. If you want to enter gold, you need price to come back down there. So you need it to come back down there. M5 looks a good setup. Let's check it. All right. Took out the swing low. Gold, I mean, Euro took out the swing low here, which is nice. This candle broke structure, but for my criteria, it doesn't have to be your criteria. Guys, if someone is new, hello, can you please drop a like to the stream? And he has a huge applause for all the viewers. Yeah, it is a commercial, you know. So, we had a fair value gap here, of course, but this candle here is not a strong structure break. I never consider a structure break with a wick. I know technically it is, but for me, higher probability, and I try to go for the higher probability here, is to have an up close candle with the body. This didn't. This candle here, it doesn't interest me anymore, because this one had only a wick. So the second candle after that, this one, this gray candle, I know it has an up close candle with the body, but that doesn't count. The candle that broke the structure, that counts to me. This liquidity sweep on Euro is not enough for me. I need a stronger one. I need a stronger one. I need higher probability. I need it to at least clear out London low. So if this would have cleared out London low, we would have an up close candle with the fair value gap. I would consider that a high probability entry. For me, this is a low probability entry, which doesn't mean it's not going to drive all the way up, because it can, but that's why I'm not taking it. So this is me on Euro, and as we can see, gold is edging higher. It's gonna take out London high right there. So again, if you want to go long on gold using the analogy which I was talking about, you should wait until it gets down into this fair value gap, which is left. I mean, actually it is. So you have to wait for this fair value gap to enter, if you enter on the 5 minute. Now, if you want to enter on the 1 minute, here's your entry. Right now, at this very second, you have to decide. If you want to enter, this is your entry right now. You can use it as this one as a breakaway gap. This is your entry. Again, if you want to enter. But you have to be aware that this fair value gap is still open, right? Look at that. It's going to retrace back down into that. So you would be stopped out by now if you enter on the 1 minute. Yes, I think it now. Okay, this is your long entry right now. This is your long entry on gold. So if you want to go long on gold, this is your entry. This is right now. You should push the buy button if you want to go long. You have the range, you have everything. Basically, I want to go long as well. You know what? I might just go long. There. I went long on gold because we have a range to take out London high. That's it. If I lose, I'm gonna be angry at KRK trading. That's it. On gold, 15 minute is not looking good if you want to long. On 5 minute, this entry was looking good until now. Lower probability. Oh, should have entered the smaller size anyway. For a 1-to-1 it's still alright because we have the range, but unfortunately I do not think I like this candle on the 15 minute. If it would close like this long wick candle, then I would consider the trade as a wick fill, maybe, you know. So it's gonna close in 10 seconds. It's gonna close in 10 seconds, this candle. Actually, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These kind of candles many times getting filled, you know. They are good for a wick fill. Unfortunately, we're going down for now, it seems like. No big deal, guys. So last chance to get in with a better entry is down here. But yeah, doesn't look good. Do we have... yeah, we have Powell speaking later still. I might have to cut this one. I'm not sure if I want to wait for this to go all the way down. Okay, now we have something here. Finally. And I missed my entry. Guys, I missed my entry. I'm gonna be so angry right now. I have to enter, guys. I'm sorry. 30, 15. I just have to enter. I missed my entry and I'm very angry. That's it. How stupid was I? This was the place to enter on Nasdaq. Damn, I was waiting for this and that was my entry. That should have been my entry up there. Oh my god. Yeah, I love it. I love how I trade. If I hadn't made a profit in London, I would have taken gold, but gonna stay out. I think you're doing the right thing there. I'm still married to Nasdaq, so that's why I was entering this trade. I can get a 2-to-1 here. And I'm not going to take partials on Nasdaq, no way. I'm going to leave it as it is for 2-to-1. I might even close gold. We'll see. Yeah, I got married to the idea. Okay, euro dollar, let's see, almost took out London session low. Pound is still in the range, we're not touching pound for now. I still like Nasdaq, but unfortunately I think my entry, because it was a late entry, I'm not gonna be able to go through with this trade. I'm considering to close gold, by the way, with a small loss. I'm definitely considering to close gold. I'm sticking with Nasdaq. I was waiting for this trade, dude. I'm gonna hit myself to the wall. I was waiting for this entry. That was my entry right there. Oh man, how stupid was I? Should have kept open it on a separate monitor, just to watch for it. But the idea of taking out London High on gold is really good. I mean, I gotta hand it that it's a really good idea to take out London High. I didn't really expected gold to drop this hard back down. So okay, that's it. I close gold. Close down gold. Cut the loss. I'm down like 0.5%. Most likely. Yeah, 0.5% down for today. So I have another 0.5% wiggle room. Yeah, the missed trade problem is a big one. Yeah, absolutely. So, always have to deal with that emotion. I was really waiting for, because we were inside that, I was talking about it literally while I was doing the analysis, and I was waiting for some kind of a structure break forming, and there it happened. And I lost. I mean, I missed it. So yeah, it can easily go back up and take me out like super easy. If it goes back up, I might even add one more. Or if it spikes down, retraces, I'm gonna be adding one more. I don't know. I don't know. So far, down 0.5% for the day. So getting near to the threshold. Look at gold. Close down gold, and now it's going up. Okay, cool. Good choice, good choice. Okay, euro, nothing. Gold is going up, come on, man. I don't care. What's happening on the 5 minute? Nothing. So I used that fair value gap and the idea that the draw is down there on liquidity. That's it. What's up with the Powell speech? Yeah, it's gonna be in 1 hour. Okay. Alright. Gonna have some crazy volume maybe. What is Bitcoin doing, by the way? Nothing. I'm just curious. Okay, euro dollar is... Oh, that's a good info there. Yeah. All right. Um, gold is I don't know what's it doing. We have this long wick. It's gonna get filled. High possibility for that. Question is it gonna happen before it takes out this other one or after? Seems like before. Should not have taken the gold trade, but it's fine. All right, euro dollar is maybe it's going. Oh, let's check the dollar index, shall we? Dollar index getting a little bit stronger. Let's see the 1 hour dollar index. Actually, I can't really read anything on it. The most logical thing for dollar index is to go up there and reprice this range on the 4 hour, which would bring us strong dollar, which would bring gold a little bit more down and other pairs as well. Let's see this one. You have to wait so much. I mean, if you have a strategy that you have to wait so much, that's actually good because you're protecting yourself, you know, from drawdown. So that's actually a good thing. Don't say that it's bad. I mean, boring. Boring is natural in trading. It has to be boring. Your trades must be boring. All right. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ, please. I want you to take out that historical low. That's all I want. It's really getting on my nerves, this NASDAQ. What the hell is this music? All right. I sure hope that this is not copyright protected because the playlist said it's not, but you know, who knows. Currently 0.5% on my 25k challenge, but because the commission is, oh yeah, I have to be careful there. Commissions are usually eating the account. Yeah, that's the problem. Some traders are only trading instruments like for example NASDAQ, or I don't know, there is no commission, but you have higher spread or wider spread, if I may say. Okay, come on NASDAQ, come on. Otherwise, I would love to take a trade. Oh, look at gold. Oh my god. I'm so glad I closed it. I would have been at stop loss, full stop by now. Music? Well, you know, I can only play copyright-free music, so I'm not sure I want to put in something that is copyright protected. So I have a playlist on Spotify. I can show you. This is it. Copyright free, 24 hours low fee chill music. That's what we're listening right now. I have no idea. I'm not going to risk copyright stuff with YouTube. So that's it for now. Yeah. So we're chilling. Chill out music. I want to listen to rock music because that I love rock. I definitely love rock, but that would make me go crazy during trading. So we're just chilling here, you know. All right. Come on, Nasdaq, don't do this with me. It was looking so good. Okay, gold is going down. So the potential target for gold should be, the draw on liquidity should be last, I mean, yesterday's low, sorry. Yesterday's low. For now, it seems like. And now you can see why this was a low probability setup to go long. Okay, okay, it broke structure, which is good. That is good. Actually, I'm looking to go short on gold, to be honest. Okay. All right, this is the 5 minute. We still have to wait 4 minutes 20 seconds for candle close. Powell is still not speaking. Question is gold going to take out that low before the testimony? And now Nasdaq is going against me. Come on, dude. Oh no. Oh no. Why is it so hard with you, Nasdaq? Okay. By the way, they say that the index futures market is the gentleman's market because it usually follows the levels very nicely. Why is Powell speaking every day? Yes, I don't know. Now, yesterday he was talking about the usual stuff, and now he's going to say the same in front of. It's going to be a Congress hearing or something. I don't know. So he's definitely going to talk about inflation again. So it's going to move the market for sure. Yeah, they're printing money. That's what they're going to do. Nothing, no news there. Everybody knows that by now. What's going to happen. Come on. Come on. I'm just kissing the microphone here. What the hell is this music, man? Okay. Unfortunate. Seems like Nasdaq still wants to pop higher. I think it took out yeah, London high. Yeah, it did. Yeah, problem is we still have liquidity up there, relative equal highs and stuff like that. Not too good. Not too good. All right, Euro is taking out London low. And look at gold, finally. Finally! Thank you, gold. Now I can... how far are we? 29. 29. Okay. Drawn liquidity is down there, in my opinion. I don't know, man. I don't know. Hard to read. It's hard to read. I'm just looking for gold to spike down and take out yesterday's low. That's what I'm looking for. And maybe Nasdaq will go down with it. I don't know. I mean, it should. The problem is Nasdaq. Oh my god, I messed up. I messed up with Nasdaq very much. This fair value gap can save Nasdaq. Maybe. Right now. I'm not sure. And I have to close it. This is the last defense here for Nasdaq. Oh, and gold is going against me suddenly. It went down so nicely. What happened here? Spiked down and then went back up. So close to yesterday low. Why is it hovering too much down there? Should take it out. Man, don't like this. Don't like that. Oh. Dollar CAD taking London high. Wow. Come on, Nasdaq and gold. All we need is a spike down. I'm not asking too much. I'm just asking it to do its job. Come on, gold. Still need Nasdaq to go down. So come on, Nasdaq as well. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq. Damn it, I have to close gold. Alright. Closing Nasdaq too. Oh my god. What the hell? $83. What a day. What a day. I have to close it. Oh. So I'm in profit for $83 for the day, which is better than nothing, I guess. I recovered my loss on the spike down. Yeah, the account is 24,735, so it's good. Damn it. Look at euro. Now still, I'm not satisfied because these are not the kind of trades that I should be taking. If I would have taken Nasdaq here, 14, I would be in break-even by now, and I wouldn't be worried about the rest of the trade, which I still think that Nasdaq is going to drive down all the way. I strongly believe. I mean, you do what you want with Nasdaq, but it's gonna go down. Like I can feel it. I can definitely feel it. Look at that. It just has to go down. So if I get another entry, not this kind of entry which I messed, but because my last entry here, it was a total mess up, I would jump into a short again. Look at gold. Gold took out yesterday low. If I would have stayed in the trade, look at that. I could have made some more. TP should have been hit here by now. I was stupid. Still alright. But Nasdaq, guys, Nasdaq is my nemesis right now. I mean, I love Nasdaq, don't get me wrong, I love it, but okay, so the thing is that we are approaching the good old Powell speech, and I just don't know what to do. Yeah, so this was the gold trade. Could have made $10 more. On Nasdaq, we're fine. If I would have not taken gold trade because of KRK, it's his fault actually, then I would be up 0.5% today. But because of KRK, I'm still not all the way up where I want to. It's his fault, guys, so I'm just joking, don't worry. I'm just messing around, doing crazy jokes here. Of course I wanted gold to go up, that's why I entered, because it seems like a good target to take out London High. That's why I took it. Anyway, pound has taken out this these lows. Actually, London low is completely taken out, which is nice. So we have liquidity to go long. Now let's check. Let's check. Let's check. This is pound on the daily chart. This is the daily chart for pound. This is the weekly chart for a pound. If I look at here, it has been repriced. We have the next imbalance from here. It poked into that yesterday, no, actually on Monday, I think. Which day was that? It was on Monday. So it was on Friday, right? Yeah, on Friday it poked into that, repriced this range on the daily, and I definitely can see if it wants to continue up, then we can search for a possible long entry on pound. Our only problem is with Powell right now. The problem is with Powell. Euro dollar is still going down. Do you guys want to trade the silver bullet? Because that's gonna be right around when Powell is speaking. Let me check something. By the way, stock exchange is opening soon. Okay, nothing. Let's check. Do we have some news? Bank of England Governor Bailey, we are not signing, signaling what will come next on rates. Yeah, we know that. So they basically don't tell anything as usual. Jobless claims, actual 264K forecast. So more unemployed people could be coming. Let's not go into economics right now. Let's check the account. All right, so overall we're down 1% from the main balance, a little bit more than 1%. And so far for the day, we are not suffering from drawdown and we're still in progress, as you can see. But yeah. I messed up big time here. It's gonna be quite a journey, guys. If you want to stick it out with me in the next upcoming days or weeks, we're happy to do it. I think these stream trades text should be updated or something, or have to do something with it because it's not gonna be accurate. Okay, Euro took out previous week low and 4-hour bearish order block. What the hell? Yeah, because okay, all right. That was trading view. So let's look at pound for possible long entries. Nothing there. Nothing there. Look at Nasdaq. Don't tell me it's not gonna go down. So tempting. So tempting. No. Second chance for entry on Nasdaq. Range is 23. What the hell? Bearish order block there. Fair value gap. Yeah, GU, let's see. I mean, yeah, it's good, but you know, it's all right, but I've seen better GU long entries, to be honest. I'm not taking it. This is it's not looking good for me. So not even euro dollar looks good enough for me right now. Still short on Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq. Of course, the stock exchange is opening in 8 minutes, so could be risky. So careful. Not taking partials on this, I think. But never say never, of course. So close, so close to that historical low on the hourly. It's so close, man. Yeah, I don't like this kind of yeah. So I don't like this on GU, and on euro dollar the same. Not really my style here. Yeah, I guess maybe everyone is waiting for Powell or the market open. Who knows? Spread is real high. Please push the like button. Thank you, everyone. You know, I need to build up the channel and the stream, you know, somehow. Markets are opening in 5 minutes. I'm in stock exchange, sorry. This is NASDAQ, by the way. If someone is curious, what am I doing here? I'm looking for NASDAQ to take out this, come on. This is the hourly NASDAQ, this historical low here. That's what I'm looking for. NASDAQ to do, to close down that wick. It should do it. It's very close, you know. So that's what I was waiting for the whole London session. Oh no, this gap, I don't like that gap. This gap is going to be repriced right now. It's going to reprice it and then maybe drop. See? It's going to go all the way up here, reprice it, and then maybe drop down. But I do wish that it should drop down furthermore. I guess we have to wait for market open. It has to go all the way up to the body of the previous candle to reprice it, I think. Yeah. As you can see, it goes up right now, repricing it. Yeah. It's repricing it, and now that it has repriced it, should be a great opportunity for it to drop back down, but it doesn't seem like it wants to do it. But at least it has been repriced, right? Exchange market opens in 2 minutes. Euro, pound, S&P. Come on, NASDAQ. This level is quite, you know, strong. 40 seconds. Maybe some volume will help us to go down. Scary a little bit, to be honest. All right. Powell is still not speaking. 10 seconds. All right, market opened. Come on, Nasdaq, take that historical low out. There you go. All right, guys. Woo, woo, woo. Again. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that precision. Took out the historical low. I was talking about this all freaking day. Another applause. Come on. I was talking about this the whole effing day, that this has to be taken out. Look at that. To the tick, I must say. Almost, because of spread. Took it out and then reversed. Oh my God. Another applause. Come on. Damn it. By the way, we have another historical low here, which is right here, down there. I don't know if it wants to take that out, but this long wick had to be taken out. Look at that. Immediate reverse. Immediate reverse. Oh my God. Yes. $175 in profit. $175 in profit for the day. Real crazy. Volume there. Anyway, more than 0.5% profit. I'm very satisfied with that. This trade, oh my God, I was waiting for this freaking trade. Now, if I would have entered here where I originally wanted to, easy TP2 trade right there. Oh, damn it. What a day, guys. What a day. What a day. Come on. I think we deserve some likes. Please. Alright. One more win. Come on. Ah. This trade, dude. This freaking level down here. I was looking at it all London session. All the way. Ah. Okay. Nothing to do here until Jerome Powell starts to speak. Look at that. Look at that. Touched it. Reversed back up. No one can tell me that this is random. This has been engineered. This is engineered price action. Look at that. Now it's gonna go and take out these level. This is gonna be the next target right there. This midnight open range right here. This is gonna be taken out. Relative equal highs here, and this one here. This. Oh my God! And look at that, by the way. Look at that. Fair value gap here. If you want to go long, you can enter long right here. Right there. If you want to go long, it's going to take out the highs. Look at that. You have the range for midnight price. All right, we're in. We're gonna take out midnight price range. Come on. Oh no. He's gonna take out midnight. Alright, I'm a chicken. I don't care. $217 profit. I'm a chicken. I still think he's gonna take out midnight. $217 profit net for the day. It's gonna take out. I was just a chicken. I didn't want it to lose profit, although it wasn't break even, but still wanted to secure some profits. My god, look at that. It's gonna take out the midnight. It's gonna, damn it, guys. It would have been a TP. Almost. Maybe not. Maybe not. Just to make sure it has to take out that line. Damn it, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, now it's gonna, it should have been a TP1. Oh, a little bit of FOMO there. Now these two trades, I love these two trades. Even that I exited early, I don't care. Man. I'm so happy. Oh my god. What about S&P? Nothing. And the good thing is that there was no commission. Look at that. Took out the midnight level and there it is. To the tick, guys. This is engineered. Took out sell side here, delivered it to the midnight buy side range there. Don't tell me that this is not heavily manipulated and engineered, because it is. This is the proof of it, guys. This is the proof, the real proof that this price action and the whole market is rigged. It's engineered. I'm not counting this as a win. It's just, it was a scalp. If I wouldn't be a chicken, this would have netted me another $60 on this account, but it is what it is. It could have taken me out easily, you know, with break even, so I'm happy with what I've got. I wanted to secure the profits, that's for sure. My god, guys, thank you, God. Thank you so much. This was great. I loved it. And not because of the account wise, not the numbers, but you know, the theory. I love when the theory which I outline actually proves itself that it's doing that. And it is smart money concept. So nobody can tell me that smart money is not working, because it's working. It really does. And this was also another proof. I mean, this and this level, what else do you want for proof? The perfect example of smart money concepts. Uh, loved it, loved it. I love Nasdaq and S&P. One of these two always, you know, brings you something. The problem is that on MetaTrader it's very hard to deal with the spread. That's why I want to choose a broker where I can trade futures with none of these spreads. But it was great. I loved it so far. I love the Nasdaq trade. So great, so great. Let me go out to the bathroom. Be right back. Don't go anywhere and push the like button. All right. Thanks. Let's check on Nasdaq for. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it on gold for now. All right. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay. All right. We're doing a little better. So overall, the account is down 0.68%, which is not that bad. Managed to do some recovery, thank God, and that's it. Almost at break even, so hope for the best. Hope for the best. Look at Nasdaq. Wow. Awesome trades there. Okay, guys. I think I'm not sure if we want to do anything else here. I think that's it. All right. I think that's it. What trades do we want to take? Oh, look at Nasdaq. It's dollar index getting a little bit stronger. What do we have? We touched yesterday's low on gold. Powell is going to be speaking, so I'm not pushing the button anymore. Guys, I think this is it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I think we did a good job. Managed to make a little bit of profit. $217 of profit. So guys, thanks again for being here. I think I'm done for the day. Please drop a like, or if you're just dropped into the stream, check the recording. Some amazing trades were happening with Nasdaq, so my theory was spot on by touching the historical low and then going back up, so it was great. Please sub to the channel, and I think I'm out for today. That's it. I'm not giving back the money to the market, so thank you so much, and see you guys London session and New York as well. So see you tomorrow. Cheers everyone. Cheers, cheers, cheers.